Hey, 10th grade. So today we're going to talk about genetic exceptions, which means that now that we've have the technology to know more about DNA and genes, we've learned that not all genes work like Gregor Mendel thought they would. There's some exceptions to his rules. And so we're going to talk about some of those exceptions today. And maybe you've had questions about these yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into bullet points. And then I went to my search engine and I just typed in genetic exceptions. And I found this site from another school called Exceptions to Mendel's Rules, which is what I'm looking for. So when I click on this website, they list them. So incomplete dominance or codominance is one. And so I can copy that and paste it in. And then I'll just keep doing this. So one example of that would be blood type. So people can be A, B, B, or O, and they're not dominant over, there's not one that's more dominant than another. The next one is palentropy, and it gives the definition here. So I'm going to copy that and paste it in here. And I want to use quotation marks here. And then the next one that they talk about is a Pista Static, or covering up genes, where one gene interferes with the expression of another. And they give some great examples here. I'll paste that in, make sure that I have my quotation marks. Add my next bullet point. Continuous variation. Many characteristics such as human height or skin color may vary as a continuum in populations. So that's why we have such different skin colors, such different hair color. This would be an example of that. So I'll copy that and I'll paste it. And Gregor Mendel did not account for that as he was doing his presentation. And so I'm going to simply, as a header, I'll just say some exceptions are, and then I'll cite my evidence here like this. The last website that I had was website number 7, so this is going to be website number 8. That in parentheses, and then I'll come over to my works cited section and move my little bit and add 8 and add this course and paste it in there. Okay. With the remaining time, I'm going to try to add some pictures, but if I get cut off from my video, then I will post my finished slides so you can see what it looks like. So I'm just going to make myself a little bit of room. I'm going to worry about changing the font and things later. And I'm going to come over to, there we go, maybe just add a space. There we go. Okay, and then let's take a look at some of these images. It looks like I'm running out of time, but I will find a picture. Oh, here's a great one. I will find a picture and I'll post it in, and then I'll add it to the Google presentation so that you can see my final slide. All right, guys, so if you have any questions, please email me or come to the office hours.